Hello friends, today I will show you how to make Ghibli image art for free. Without any delay, let's move directly to my mobile screen. To create Ghibli art from your image, you need to have an X account, or you can say, a Twitter account. If you do not have an X account, then make one by watching the video given in the I button and the video description. Alright, friends, I think now you have created your X account, so click to open it and then move to the third section, which is the Brock section. In this section, simply click on this to select an image from your gallery and then upload it here. After that, simply write or give a prompt that makes this image into Ghibli art, and then just click on this arrow. Now wait for a few seconds. You can see that your image is slowly converting into a Ghibli image. Finally, see that a real person's image has successfully converted into a Ghibli image. Now you can take a screenshot here, or if you want to download this image art, then you have to do one more step. First, click on this download icon and then click on copy link. Now minimize your X account and move to Google and search for an image downloader by link. Move forward and open the first site, then paste your link here and click on extract. Here you have to wait until it gets loaded. After that, simply scroll down and you will see that the image is showing here. Just click on this download icon. Now finally, the Ghibli image has been successfully downloaded and saved in your mobile gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.